When you're nervous, does it send you running to the bathroom? Today I'm going to share with you an essential oil that can help solve that problem. I'm Katie, I'm an aromatherapist from Simply Earth, and I will be bringing you clarity and confidence on how to use essential oils. And today we're talking all about cardamom. First, let's talk about how to use it. One of the ways Cardamom Essential Oil works is it helps soothe pain. It does this by blocking some of the messengers going to your brain telling you that you are in pain. Cardamom Essential Oil helps soothe digestion. When I was growing up, my mom would always give us ginger ale to drink when we had an upset stomach. Cardamom is related to ginger, so it makes sense that cardamom has similar properties. It can help soothe the nervous stomach or other problems associated with indigestion. Cardamom essential oil can help improve focus. If you have cardamom essential oil, open it up, take a smell, and you'll notice your brain snap to attention. Try putting in your diffuser at work when you're noticing you're having a hard time getting things done, and you'll notice your brain become more alert. Cardamom essential oil also is a decongestant. It'll help break up congestion. Since it's good at pain relief, like I mentioned, this oil is really great if you have a head cold because it'll help. While it breaks up congestion, will help soothe head pain as well. Another way to use cardamom essential oil is for its warming sensation on the skin. This can be irritating. I'll talk more about this when I mention how to use this oil safely. One of my favorite ways to use cardamom essential oil is the Digest Health Roll-On. Check out that recipe in the description box. Cardamom essential oil is created by the plant for a variety of reasons. We distill it and get to use those benefits for ourselves. We can learn about its benefits by looking through history to learn how it's been used, or by breaking it up in its individual chemical components and seeing how we can use it that way. Throughout history, it's been used to help soothe digestion. When we break that up into its individual chemicals, we see that that is because of terpenyl acetate and 1,8-cineol. Terpenyl acetate is a chemical often used in personal care products because it is really good at killing bacteria and germs. 1,8-cineol kills germs, even germs out of the air. It helps with decongestion and supports brain function. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Cardamom essential oil, because of its warming effect, is also skin irritating. You'll want to make sure you dilute it properly before using it on your skin. Combining it with other essential oils that are gentle, like lavender, sandalwood, and patchouli, can help reduce the irritating effects of this oil. This oil is safe to use with kids aged 10 and up. You'll want to be really careful using this oil around young children, as it can cause breathing problems and other issues. This oil is generally considered safe to use around cats and dogs, but you'll want to make sure you leave the door open when you're using it so your pet can leave if they don't like the aroma. Thanks for watching this video. To get more confidence and clarity with essential oils, hit subscribe.